Hi, welcome back. This is Patricia Stuart. So I have some prints here that I did. I pulled these prints maybe a couple of weeks ago. I've lost track of time anyway. And I know this was a ghost print. This was pulled from a ghost print. This was the original print. This was the ghost. And I have some black mixed media paper here, and so I'm going to cut these up and arrange them. Now I might add some other colors in between. It depends on how these pieces are working out, but we'll see what we come up with. Okay, so here we are. I added some lighter colors in that also had the red to balance it a bit better, and cut the pieces out. And I like these colors together, and so I'm going to glue them down. Okay, so this is what we have. I took the liberty of using my gold pen, gold marker, liquid paint, and put some gold in the center of each row. And then I took my Micron marker and made some fine black lines across the gold. Now, none of my squares are even by far. So, you know, I put them on anyway. They're close to the same size, not perfectly cut into squares. But here's the color pattern that we get from ghost prints, and I think these were ghost prints as well. So we're pretty much, I think this is the only original, and I put only one of these in, an original print. And the rest are like ghost prints off of pulls that I've taken. And so they create their own beauty when you cut them up. Sometimes even the prints that we pull that don't seem to look as nicely as we thought they would, we can cut them up, and then you get a different perspective when you look at them and piece them together with other prints. Then you really begin to see something different. So it's worth doing. If you have any prints that you didn't think came out too well, cut them up and see what other pieces you can put them together with, and you will have a different perspective. Now with these colorful prints of a lot of red and in them, they would not have done well, I think, on a white background. So when you have very strong colors, red, very bold colors, a black background will make them stand out even more. So thank you for joining me today and stopping in to see what other creative ideas I can come up with our gel prints. As I've said before, it's wonderful to pull prints. But then the question is, what are we going to do with them afterwards, you know? So it's nice when you can find some use for your prints afterwards. Now, if I wanted to put a matting, this is what I would do. And even that, when you put the bold matting around it, it stands out even more. So, here's what we have. And I like to always look at things kind of matted at times. And so this would make a nice piece, put it in a frame. It would look nice in whatever room you put it in. Thanks for joining me today. Once again, thanks to my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out my art. Keep doing art. Till next time.